The Flip Wilson Show. With Flip's guests, Stanley Myron Handelman, the Muppets, Big Bird and Oscar of Sesame Street, Loretta Long, Sunday's Child, and special guest star Raymond Burr.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Listen, I don't know. I'm a stranger here myself. What was the name of that street?
Sesame?
Oh, you mean like on rye bread?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, listen, you just go about another half a block and then you cross over.
And that's Sesame Street.
No, but there's a great delicatessen store there.
Never mind, Stanley. We'll find it.
Oh, they got good Kaiser rolls there, too, with the seeds all over. Hey, listen, why don't I come with you? I'm always happy to try out a new place. Thanks a lot.
Can you tell me how to get
Loretta, just the one I'm looking for. You know how to get to Sesame Street, right?
I should hope so.
Fellas, this is Loretta Long.
Oh.
She plays Susan on Sesame Street. She helps run the place.
Oh, hey, that's great. Listen, how's the corned beef?
Oh, Stanley, the name Sesame Street comes from open sesame. You know, opening the mind to the true wonders of life.
Well, to me, corned beef is one of the true wonders of life.
Mr. Flip.
Sunday's Child! We're on the way to Sesame Street.
Oh, we've been. You'll love it. Come on, we'll show you the way.
Great!
Good.
sunny day, sweeping the clouds away, on our way to where the air is sweet.
Hey, I think we're getting close. You feel it?
Yes, I have a good instinct about these things. You can almost smell it in the air.
Yeah, it could be the pastrami.
Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute now. We haven't gone anywhere. This is still the street we started on.
Well, that's the whole point, Flip. Any street can be Sesame Street.
It's a pleasure to have you here. Whew. What can I do for you?
Oh, a table for 7, please.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, we're a party of 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Say, you count very well.
Oh, thanks a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Hey,
6,
what's going
7.
on here?
Well, Stanley, you see, that's one of the things they teach kids here, how to count. It's not that easy, you know.
Now, mathematics is a difficult subject at best. I assume you try to teach in a manner entertaining as well as instructive.
Wowee! What language is that, sir? You speak it beautifully.
Well, thank you. Thank you. It's English. It's, all those years in the courtroom.